Hey guys, down at G&L in Brisbane, there's some good rigs here, and holy hell, they're busy as. But, yeah, there's my girl getting tuned up, new motor tuned at the professionals. But yeah, big shout out, big thanks to all the guys from G&L, especially Reese, that's helped me along the way. Alright, thanks guys. It's another nice rig. Wow, Hilux. Far out, there's some nice rigs here. Yeah, this thing, Trop GQ. There's a sick Hilux behind it. Far out. There's some nice cars. Oh, take no notice of that. That's my camper. And of course the old 79 Land Cruiser. It's like they're brand new, doing upgrades to it. Look at that, superior engineering, full suspension shocks. Wow, X-Bar on the back. What a rig. It's got rock sliders, brand new. Someone's getting a good Christmas present. Far out. That is nice. Yeah guys, these guys, every time I come here, they are packed. Like, we're talking 50, even 60 cars every time I come. Obviously the best in the round, and yeah, just unreal rigs everywhere. Yeah, like I said guys, these guys are constantly busy. Like, I had to book 3 months in advance to get my car in, but you know what they say. Thanks guys. Talk about monster rigs, check this thing out. It's huge. Honestly, the bonnet of this thing's over my head. Holy moly, what a rig. Far out. Monster it's called. It sure is. Man, that thing's, it's a monster, alright. And check this one out. Far out. It looks like something out of a movie. Wow. That's a serious bit of gear. Holy. And again, the bonnet is way over my head. Far out. Just everywhere, everywhere I look. Huge rigs.